Welcome back. What we're now going to do is we're going to look at the default pages associated with your course. We're going to do that by going to this pages area. And what you're going to notice is that there are going to be 3 pages that you need to edit. Now these pages are already published by default. The other thing that you're going to notice is that you can add in different sales pages for your course. And these are going to be sales pages that you can switch in and out as your primary sales page. Now, of the published page, we have some options available to us. First, of course, we can edit the page to add in what we want to have as our sales language. We can click this button to view the page, and this is actually something that we've already done, but we will click this button just for good measure. And you'll see your course without any sales content. You'll need to tab back over to this page. What you'll then want to do is you'll click these ellipses, and what you'll see here is that you have some options with this page. You can choose to unpublish this page. If you have changes that you have made to the page, you can publish them. You can copy the link URL if you need to place this link someplace so that you can make the sales page available. You can duplicate the sales page to make it easy to make changes, because what you can do is have additional sales pages. And if you look at the top, one of the things you'll see here in this message is that you can create up to 10 sales pages, even though only one can be primary. We're going to eliminate this message. We can rename the page title. We can also rename the page URL. And you'll notice here that the page URL is going to be here in this area. It is going to be a form of the page associated with our course and associated with our school. So one of the first things that you can do is you can click Edit Page. And this is where you can add in different element blocks so that you'll be able to work with them for your sales page. So for example, one of the things we can do is we can start with the block that we have available. If we click on top of this block, you'll notice that this is the banner for our course. We can upload an image for this banner. We can change the text for the banner. And you'll see here on the sidebar all of the elements that you have available to you. So for example, if you don't want to show a button here, you can take the button out and you'll see the button will disappear. You can put the button back. You can send people to a specific URL when they're going to use the button, or you can send them to the checkout page. You'll notice here that this button is going to be configurable in terms of the text that's on the button. We're going to go ahead and upload our image, and you'll be able to see your image in this banner area. Now everything that you have on your page you'll be able to edit. Now once you've added the content, you can design this element further. You'll see the block, text, and any spacing that you want to do. You can go back. What you can then do is you can edit other elements. So for example, you can edit the text element. You can edit the image with text element, which you'll see here. You can edit the pricing element. You can edit the text with image grid that you see here. You can add in blocks. So for example, we can decide to click Add a New Block. We can choose the kind of block we want to add in. In this case, we can add in a custom HTML block. We can then click the Add button. That's going to add that block to our page. What we're going to do then is we're going to see the elements of that button on the left side for us to be able to add in what we want to have for that particular element. Now this element is calling for HTML code, so we need to have an embed code that we want to place in there. So we'll grab this code of a YouTube video. We're going to put in a centering code. We're then going to paste in the code. We're then going to place in the back center code. We're then going to preview this block. We can scroll down. We can see our video there. If we like the way the block looks, we're going to click Update. Our page is going to be updated with the new block with our new content. So in summary, for the Pages area, you are going to be able to edit your pages. What we have done in this video is we have edited our sales page. Remembering, we can also add in sales pages. We can also duplicate the page that we've already worked on. We can edit each page with blocks. We can either have the block that we have in there, we can go back and we can take out the block. We can add in a new block. And each block is going to be customizable by clicking on the element and then working with the design elements inside of that block. Now in the next video, we're going to look at other pages. In particular, we're going to look at the checkout page. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.